Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, Little simple fab project video today. Got this fish hut sleigh. It needs to be a foot longer and 18 inches wider. So it's fairly sturdy unit. It looks like it's been split apart before and put back together. We'll be cutting off this hitch, installing that hitch. Buddy supplied me with some bed iron. Hopefully that'll do. Of course, I'll have some pieces from this to work with as well. Grab the plasma cutter and start cutting this apart. All right, so as you can see, cut 50 plasma cutter, made pretty short work out of chopping this in half. Now, fortunately, these braces here are welded on already, so they're just going to get expanded. Very simple idea now is to just clean up the cuts with the flap disc and cut some more pieces like this. Take the measurement, spot them, and weld them in. So I'll get busy, cut up some material. All right, just want to share this with you really quick. This piece, fortunately, already the right length. Now there's all kinds of weld on there, but not much of it was actually hooked up. My guess was welded by probably one of them master mechanic guys.
Emotional damage.
Alright, looks like things are half-assed straight here. The center bar, you can tell it's as crooked as can be, but that end isn't even 90 to the side rail. Not going to weld that in. This one at the back is probably the straighter of the two, because I just want to get this so that it it stands up by itself and I don't have to have all these clamps on here. So got the welder set up into stick mode here, using this welder here, the Pro Point 145, and be running some 7018s. Now I got this back bar clamped in, ready to weld up. I added one into the front up there already. These two that I previously welded in, I had to chop out. I made a little bit of a mistake. If you recall, it was supposed to be 60 inches. Well, I measured 60 inches from the top of these two outside rails, and I was actually supposed to be 60 inches from the outside edge of the ski runner. So I had to chop them back out on one side and shrink it by about 3 inches. Now, I've got most of the frame welded together. I got to chop off them tubes down there. I anchored those into the cross braces instead of running a piece across like this one has here. It's time to get started on this hitch. I conveniently have this frame from I don't know what, something, but it has some holes, as you can see, already in it. So I'm just going to chop out some sections and then weld them to the front so I can put the bar through, and that will be the holder for the hitch. You can see what I've got going on here now. There's the pieces I cut. They already got a hole. Of course, this is going to go up here and match up with the hole with this rod, you know, going through. But this will make for a bump stop this way. Keep the fish hut from trying to overtake the ATV if it happens to come loose. And we got a nice draw point, lots to weld to. And so let's get her welded up. So there's the extension pieces on here, the crossbar for the back. That'll give me 8 foot 2 inches end to end, ready to weld up. So with the front side all welded in, I got it flipped over and I get to weld in everything I did on the front on the back. Now everything's all done and the hitch is on. Let me show you these again. Oh, terrible bubble gum welds we got on here. But we go up here and we go, oh, look at that, that's a thing of beauty. You think I have some kind of welder schmidt. Now I opened up the holes on these brackets and I cut the rod off, and the other end here had a gear clamp and a washer, and this end's flared out. This was already like that. It's already holding. I think this is a pretty good simple idea. So then I just fed the rod through. I put a washer on. I put a bit of weld on the end there. That makes the hitch fully functional. Comes up, can hook on, then it goes back, and as you saw, folds down flat. So that'll be it for this video. Just a little project. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Till the next one, as always, peace.